Attention, band family parents and guardians of high school and middle school students. Our band sponsors, led by our executive committee, work together to plan out strategies to set the students up for success. Due to the unwavering support of the Hubbard Board of Education, we are able to achieve many of our fundraising goals due to cooperation with funding and financing. Thanks to the hard work of our past and present sponsors, donors, and the Board of Education, we were finally able to achieve our uniform fundraising goal this year. This is a huge accomplishment, raising $110,000 to outfit our band, which takes 10 to 12 years of planning. We can now set our sights on our new fundraising focus, repairing and replacing aging instruments, which affects our high school and middle school band students. Each instrument only lasts so long, but with regular maintenance to repair when we can, and careful planning to purchase quality instruments that last for decades or more, we can supply the band with the necessary equipment to play and march onward for years to come. Featured are some of our newest instruments, purchased in conjunction with assistance from our sponsors and donors, past and present, and our Board of Education. While many music programs have been eliminated or significantly hindered by funding and/or availability in the school system, Hubbard Schools continues to recognize the value of music education and supports the music department, and we are truly grateful. Instrument restoration and replenishment is a crucial yet often overlooked component to a successful music program. When considering the budget to refurbish appropriate pieces and replace aging instruments, it is a daunting task. Marching band instruments are classified into 3 categories: woodwind, brass, and percussion. Each type of instrument has unique needs for maintenance and cost of replacement. It is staggering when looking at the numbers. To make things easier and to meet the needs of the band, we are working on creative approaches to funding for our future with instrument maintenance and replacement over the course of many years. In the upcoming months, you will see campaigns including accepting donations toward instrument repair and replacement. This is a perfect opportunity for anyone in our community, including our alumni, to give back to the musical pride of Hubbard. If you have questions, want to make a donation, or have an idea to help our fundraising efforts, reach out. Connect with us, the Hubbard Band sponsors.